Hey, good morning. Happy Friday. Well, we're doing a little HVAC work on the old yellow Ford here. We got a couple of the lines run in here. We got, let's see, well, coming off the pump. And then I got a heater core. We're waiting for a couple more fittings on that. So, got one line on the heater core hooked up. Got most of the stuff in here. Got all those, of course, I showed you that, and then got those hooked in. And this one, waiting on fittings again. That's this line here. Boop, it'll go right there. And that'll all be complete. So now, going over here to the Rat Rod Extravaganza, and what I did was I cut this piece that goes here off of the trim piece, which is gonna go there, like that. And I'm going to, on the back side of this again, I'm gonna make tab pieces that I'll take like a 1/4 bolt and tack it to the back of a piece of metal, and then I will attach that, weld this to this in probably 4 or 5 places down through here on the back, and then I'll drill the holes in this, and it will become like a trim piece, a removable trim piece. So, like that. Very nice. And this piece I'm getting ready to attach, because for some reason, for that barbecuer that they had this hooked to, they cut this off. So we're gonna use this one like that, and it's gonna have a Ford on it, which is pretty cool because that wasn't there. So that'll be a little different. Pretty neat, I think. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now. So, fun Friday. I found me a Hemi for the Plymouth project. I'm going to look at it. Hopefully getting it Sunday. So pretty excited about that, 'cause that's what I wanted. I thought that'd be the cherry on top of that Plymouth. That's what it needed. I mean, you know, what else are you gonna put in an old Plymouth? No, not an LS. No. All right. I'll check back with you in a little while. Later.